Good day traders, welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live we will be focusing on Forex and we'll be scanning the 36 currency pairs. There's a brief disclaimer. Here's my contact details. I do tweet a lot of artificial intelligence charts and strategies on StockTwits and Twitter. Today we'll be looking at the 36 major Forex or currency pairs, and we're going to use 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and three quick 3-day moves. Now these 4 cater for from medium to long term type holding periods, shorter medium term, and then shorter high frequency type trading strategies. Now for those of you that's new to artificial intelligence, the engine we're using is the Fulgent AI, and in a nutshell, or the tip of the AI iceberg, is really that the AI engine explores over 10 to the power of 200 possible combinations of FX indicators and market relationships. Now this is just simply not possible to do as a human on your own. You really need the power of the computer. And the Metastock Fulgent AI platform that runs on the Metastock platform applies neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic, among other things, in its research process. So we use these genetic algorithms to identify key indicators of price movement through a combination of hundreds of market factors measured over decades of historical data. Now, just to explain this a little bit more detail, let's say you were trading the currencies with, let's say, the MACD signal. So that would be one little node like that that we have here. And then you would add stochastics or something else, then you start adding another node. Now what the AI does is we let the AI loose on all the technical indicators with all possible combinations, and the AI will come back with the high probability trade. So the AI goes and tests, change the figures, changes the settings, see how that relates to another indicator, then does that all over again, and it optimizes in real time, so to speak, by changing the settings and changing the figures, and then testing it for multiple times. And then once it's got that particular strategy together, it would then go out and retest that particular one. So it keeps on testing and testing, and that's how genetic algorithms work. So the end result will be that in the day you have a few AI driven strategies that are new and something that you would not have picked up. So your 1 or 2 strategies that you had over there with your settings, now suddenly it's a whole cluster of a few, or it's even a whole cluster of something like the red ones there, which corresponds to a whole lot of different type factors that's now been taken into account. So the 4 strategies we look for is major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. The quick major market reversals, we look for oversold conditions and other forces, including cross-market indicators, to capture strong moves to the upside. Then there's the classic swing trades, reversion to the mean type swing trades, volatility breakouts, and then quick 3-day moves. This is a fantastic medium short-term swing trade strategy. So here we go. We're going to scan the 36 Forex pairs using artificial intelligence. So let's jump straight into the Metastock platform. I've got the Explorer tab open here on the Power Console, and I've selected the Fulgent AI search engine. I've now selected the 36 major Forex pairs, and I started the exploration. I did it before the show actually. It took about 2 minutes and 45 seconds to scan all those currency pairs, and yeah, we have the end result. We've got 26 where the AI is either triggered a buy or sell signal. I see there's no shorts at the moment. And then we have 10 rejects where there's a normal filter rejection where the AI don't see a particular recent trade. If I maximize this, if we scroll across, we can see the AUD CAD is 82 days into a trade. In the testing period, the AI that we have here is the 105 one, and that is the volatility breakout AI. And during the testing period, this particular AI strategy occurred 473 times and 66% accuracy with 1.78% average profit per trade over the testing period. So we can see quite a lot of fairly accurate compared to coin tossing, and certainly a good return on a percentage basis from a currency perspective. So the next one, so what we do is we sort these columns from most recent to older, so we can see some of the trades is very old. Yes, the Swiss franc euro is 146 days into a trade. So if we load that chart, let's go and check that quickly. So here we go. So we've got the Swiss franc euro on here. We can see this trade is a swing trade, sideways moving, bit choppy. So that trade's quite long in the tooth. You can see it back in July, August, and that's the automated stop loss that the AI's got in there. All right. So we're going to go back to the most recent trades. These are all the top ones. We can go for the top Swiss franc sterling. We can see there we've had quite a lot of swing trades, stop loss. Now it's back in the swing trade. There's your stop loss back there. Euro AUD is 2 days into a trade. Let's see. Swing trade. There's been some nice quick swing trades. Major market reversal that lasted a few points. You can see a volatility breakout that also captured a few points. Now there's a nice trade here. If we just look at the major market reversal, back in February, caught that whole move, and then the AI also gave the sell signal saying this is the top, and you had the next bar to really get out of. So the AI captures quite a lot of really good trades, and then you have the other ones, which is the swing trades and quick moves, where you can be a little bit more high frequency in the trade. Now I'm going to just see what the situation looks like on an intraday basis. We'll go to the 4-hour chart, see what the AI is chucking off over there. Major market, that's gone. Major market reversal there. That got stopped out. There was a major market reversal there. That one worked out nicely. That captured quite a few moves there. Major market reversal, swing trades. You can see it captures a couple of nice swing trades even on the 4-hour chart from a Forex trading perspective. Now if we go to the hourly one, we'll see there how many signals we get. Major swing trade, major market reversal. Even on the hourly basis, there's a lot of quick swing trades that you can capture using artificial intelligence even on an intraday basis, the 4-hour and hourly chart. So we'll go back to the next Euro CAD as the next currency pair. Swing trade, there was a couple of points to capture in that one. There is a stop loss here. It did briefly touch it, and then it generated a new swing trade. Now the beauty of the AI is it'll get you into a trade. You don't necessarily have to go out when the AI says sell. You can use a different type of trailing stop, a tighter stop loss, for example, in this trading to capture these swing trades. Huge swing trade there. That was a fantastic one. And then if we scroll back here to the February-March major reversal, captured that huge move and also got you out right at the top there, close to the top, so to speak. The AI signals can sometimes be up to about 3 days early. So when you get a sell signal, for example, you don't necessarily have to act immediately on it. You can see there's a couple of days who could have squeezed out a few more extra points on that one, but it all depends on your type of risk profile when you trade these currency pairs. So let's dip into the Euro CAD and we go to the 4-hour chart, see what's going on over there. It takes a while. You must realize it's a tremendous amount of data that the AI is now doing this in real time. It's not a static engine. It's dynamic in real time, and also depending on the processing power of your computer. There we go. It's taking a while to load. I might have too many charts open in the background. There we go. Timed out. I'm going to close some charts and I'll be right back. I'm right back here. The EuroCAD did not want to load for some reason. It's quite a lot of data, but I've got the Euro on here, which is a little bit more interesting than EuroCAD, Euro USD. We can see we had a phenomenal rally in the Euro. The swing trade just kept on going and still keeps on giving. a multi-month long type trade in the Euro USD. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. There we go. It's major market reversal, nice little trade there. That one got stopped out. Swing trade, also a quick one there. So you can see even on an intraday basis, you can get a lot of nice trades, swing trades in the euro. And let's go drill down another level down to the hourly one. And we can see, let's see what this quick move to the downside. Yeah, that one caught that one, and we had this major reversal. Got very close to the stop loss, and then it just kept on going. So there's a nice trade there. Now if I can remove this window, swing trade there once again, also a couple of points there. So you can see the AI is quite good at identifying some currency trades. Now the best way forward is, if you're going to trade a particular instrument, is to identify your instrument you want to trade and then rerun the AI to let the AI train on that particular instrument. You must realize we're using a generic type AI now that's just looked at all the indicators and all the currency pairs. But if you want to have your AI to focus a little bit more specific on the behavior of a particular instrument, then it's always good to train the AI, and you leave it alone. So you go through the AI's training, and it comes up with a whole new strategy specific just for that instrument based on the artificial intelligence. So that is the next level of AI, is to specific target, highly targeted artificial intelligence trading, training on a particular instrument. So you can see here we've had a fantastic couple of trades. I was going to load the last one, sterling, see if sterling's in there. GDP. Scroll down, see how long that trade is. Oh, there we go, sterling. GDP USD. Once again, also just kept on going. Just major market reversal back in April, May, April Fool's Day kind of thing. And off it went, and you can see the AI's just put the trailing stop loss up. Then another volatility breakout there. And then it starts to say, well, there's a little bit of weakness coming. But if you just moved your stop up automatically a little bit wider, then that trade worked out quite well. Let's drill down a little bit deeper. We're going into the 4-hour chart. You can see a swing trade, fantastic swing trade, 1st of Feb, and that captured quite a lot of points as well, using the 4-hour chart. Major reversal there once again, also using the 4-hour chart. So let's drill down another level to see the hourly one. Major swing trade. Now I would, there's a couple of good trades on the hourly one as well. So what I would do is if you're trading the intraday, 4-hour and hourly, I would definitely retrain the AI on 4-hour and hourly data, because you want the AI to pick up the finer nuances of a particular instrument on an intraday basis. But it can be done. Can trade on an intraday basis on the AI, but nevertheless, end of day or just on a daily chart was also a fantastic way to trade the currency pairs going forward and using AI. Right, if these are the currency pairs to watch out for. You have the signals. I'll maximize this so you can jot these down if you're interested in. Those are the most recent signals to the older signals. And we don't have any shorts at the moment. It looks like the dollar is about the biggest short at the moment. All that printing. Yes, if anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own AI, you can go to metastock.com. Let me load that chart. Metastock.com and /alphaharvest3 for 1 to get the platform and the AI. If you don't have Metastock, and if you do have Metastock, go to alphaharvest.com. Metastock.com /alphaharvestf, and be sure to mention alphaharvestf promo code in the sign up process to get a good deal on the Fulgent AI trading software. So fantastic way to trade. Would recommend, if you're getting it, to really train the AI on a particular instrument that you're going to trade. But these are the currency pairs to watch out for from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. Until next time, happy AI trading.